Kyle Rittenhouse tearfully told jurors in his own words this week he never wanted to kill Joseph Rosenbaum or Anthony Huber the night during the unrest in Kenosha.
I intended to stop the people who were attacking me.
By killing them?
I did what I had to do to stop the person who was attacking me.
12 jurors will wait his testimony plus 2 weeks of evidence and determine his fate.
The rubber hits the road here at the trial. So now you have to prove everything that the statute requires.
Attorneys battled over jury instructions Friday morning while jurors had the day off.
There's not a wild shot. He didn't miss. He wasn't spraying. Nobody's alleged anything like that.
You could say that in your argument, couldn't you?
The judge leaning towards allowing the jury to consider lesser charges in addition to those prosecutors originally brought against him.
He's holding it right there until
Rittenhouse and the judge huddled around the big screen to re-examine drone footage. The state says it shows Rittenhouse aimed his AR-15 at others, provoking Rosenbaum to try and get his gun.
we argue right here, and he stays in this position like this until you see Mr. Rosenbaum come around.
Does that video provide enough information to give an instruction on provocation?
The judge sided with the state, saying he'd allow the jury to consider that Rittenhouse's actions set off the deadly encounter.
Decision will be to submit the case to the jury with the provocation instruction, and you can argue the strength or lack of strength of the respective evidence.
Now, Hillary, what are the charges the jury will consider?
Well, Patrick, Rittenhouse faces 6 charges in all. I'm going to go through them here. First-degree reckless homicide in the first victim's death of Joseph Rosenbaum. Rittenhouse is charged with first-degree intentional homicide in the death of Anthony Huber, the man with the skateboard. That carries a life sentence. The judge is considering lesser counts of second-degree intentional homicide and first-degree reckless homicide. Rittenhouse also faces attempted first-degree intentional homicide for the wounding of Gage Grosskreutz, the last man to be shot. The judge is considering a lesser charge of endangering safety. He also faces reckless endangerment charges for the man known as Jump Kick Man and Richard McGinnis, who took video that night. Neither of those men were hurt. The judge will send out his final decisions about the charges to the attorneys on Saturday.
Hillary Mintz in Kenosha tonight. Hillary, thank you. Again, here's what's ahead with this trial. Monday morning at 9, court will resume with closing arguments. Lawyers from each side will get 2.5 hours to lay out their case. After that, the jury will begin deliberations. That's where they will make decisions on aspects of the case Hillary just laid out. Once a unanimous decision is reached, the verdicts will be read.